Hey, what's up, dudes? It's me, Mr.Airon here, the cool dude here, and today we're gonna be doing part 2 of 1 week at Mario 7, The New Beginnings. Thanks to my guys who comment me on for the future nights of this game, for the instructions on the animatronics. I really appreciate it, and so basically in the new nights we already have the advanced animatronics, but we also might have some DISMANTLED animatronics. Anyways, before we get into this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. That way you can get notified by every video that I upload in the channel. So anyways, let's get right into it. Alrighty, here we go. The third night.
Let's go!
Here we go. Alright, here we go. Alrighty, here we are. Let me wind the music box. Okay.
Hello everybody! Welcome to my Mario's restaurant! I hope you enjoy.
Keep checking on the scan, because I know there might be withered animatronics coming in from the vents here. Alright, there's nothing right now. Oh. Okay. Alright, come on. Anyone? Okay. Here. Wind the music box. Anyone here? Okay, that's Luigi. Anyone? Okay, nobody here. Whew. We're cool. Uh-oh. Please scan.
Hello, Mr. Proud.
Uh-oh.
Would you like any assistance?
Here.
Guarding right hallway.
Uh-oh, I hear something. I hear something. I don't like it. I'm hearing movement. I'm hearing movement right now. Hold on, music box. God. Ugh. Oh, wait. Let me scan.
Hello, Mr. Prower. Would you like any assistance?
Oh, wait. Alright.
Guarding left.
There.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Hello, Mr. Prowler.
Jeez.
Would you like any assistance?
Here, hold on.
Guarding middle hallway.
Ah! Come on, scan. Where is he? Okay, he's nowhere. Uh-oh. That's bad. That sounds bad. Hold on. Is he here? Hold on. Where is he? I'm a bit scared.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Alright. Here we go.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Just gonna check where on the vents here. Alright.
Hello, Mr. Proud.
Welcome to
Would you
my
like any
Mario's
assistance?
restaurant!
Uh-oh.
I hope
Guarding
you enjoy.
right hallway.
Alright. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's right there. Okay. We're good. I think we're good. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Okay. Where is he? He's nowhere. Okay. Oh.
Initiating reboot protocol. Mr. Prower. Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding left.
Uh-oh. Ah! Hold on. Let me... Ah! Wait. Scan. That was dismantled Sonic. Okay, there's no one. Good. Good. Gotta get the music box. Oh god. Alright. Scan, please. Oh god.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Okay, no one's here. Oh god. Feel like someone's getting close. Alright, scan. Come on.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my
Hello, Mr.
Mario's
Prowler.
restaurant.
Would you like any
I hope you
assistance?
Yes.
enjoy.
Guarding middle hallway.
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any
Threat
assistance?
detected.
Guarding right
Threat
hallway.
compromised.
Alright. Threat's been detected. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No one's here. No one's in the vent. So far, no one's in the vent, which is good. Because he might go to either one of those vents here. Let me check one more time.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my Mario's restaurant. I hope you enjoy.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Find the music box. Reboot these. Alright, we're good. Come on. Okay, nobody's in the vent again. Okay, nobody's in the vent still. We're good. Oh. Is someone here? Scan. Okay, no one here.
Hello, Mr. Prowler.
Oh.
Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding right hallway.
Oh. Come on. Scan. Come on, we gotta find this guy. He's somewhere in the vents. Okay, he's not in the vents. Huh. He's not in the vents. That's weird, because I saw him once. Huh. Okay. Let me...
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Hold on.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Alright.
Guarding right hallway.
Alright, let me scan again. Okay, nobody here. Alright. Oh god. Music box. Wind, wind. Alright. Alright. Scan. Come on. Gotta find him.
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding middle hallway.
Initiating reboot protocol.
There we go. Scan. We gotta find this guy. Yes! Yes! We did it! We beat Night 3! Oh my god. Yo, okay. Let's do Night 4. Here we go. Let's do this. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Night 4.
Go.
Here we go. Night 4. Here we go. Alright, here we are. Alright. So, oh, let me close that. Alright. Let me scan, just in case. If anyone's here. Okay, he's not in the vent yet. Okay, let me wind the music box. Okay, it's already filled up. Okay. Okay, I still hear laughing here. Scan. Alright. Okay, no one. Let me wind the music box. There we go. Scan. Wait. Huh? Oh. Oi. Hold on.
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding left hallway.
Let me see. See if
Hello,
it-
Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
is anyone in here? Okay, no one.
Guarding right hallway.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oi. Oi. Let's see if anyone's here. Okay, no one's in here. No one's at the vent. Good. Alright, let me do the... Uh-oh. That's not good.
Initiating reboot protocol.
That is not good. Okay, no one's in the vent. Let me Scan one more time.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding middle hallway.
Oh, music box. Alright. Scan, reboot. Alright, we're doing good so far. Is there anyone in the vent? No, he's not in the vent. Alright, so let me scan. Reboot. Alright.
Threat detected. Threat has been compromised.
Okay, he got the threat. Oh god.
Initiating reboot
Hello,
protocol.
Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding left hallway.
Oh god. Come on.
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding right hallway.
Alright.
Mr. Foxman, how can I be of assistance?
Alright. Alright. Here.
You are a brave warrior, Foxman. I wish you luck in your venture.
Alright. Thanks, Knuckles.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Alright. Okay, we're doing good. So far, no one's in the vent. I'm gonna scan one more time.
Initiating reboot protocol.
So no one's in the vent right now. Uh-oh, music box. Alright. Let me see. Scan. Just gotta keep scanning if anyone's in the vent. Okay, no one's still in the vent. Good. Good. Alright, scan. Anyone? Okay.
Hello, Mr. Prowler.
Oh.
Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding
Come on.
left
Here we go.
hallway.
Whew. Here we go. Anyone in the vents? No one. Oh. Someone was
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Guarding middle
Hello,
hallway.
Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Here, hold on.
Guarding right hallway.
Someone was in the vent. Someone's definitely in the vent. Someone was here.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Alright, hold on. Come on. Someone was definitely in the vent. I think that was a glitch. Okay, hold on. I think someone was definitely in the vent.
Initiating reboot protocol.
I think someone was definitely in the vents here. Hold on. Scan. And let me reboot these.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Someone was definitely there. Oh! Someone was coming. Okay.
Mr. Foxman, how can I be of assistance?
Here.
Rebooting errors.
Alright. Thanks.
Rebooting complete.
Yeah!
You are a brave warrior, Foxman.
Thanks,
I
Knuckles!
wish you luck in your venture.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Come on, scan. Alright. Let me wind the music box. Okay. And keep rebooting these.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my Mario's
Okay.
restaurant. I hope you enjoy.
Come on. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
Sure.
Guarding right hallway.
Yeah! Alright, 6 a.m. We can do this. 2 more hours left. Alright. Come on.
Hello, Mr. Prowler. Would you like any assistance?
There.
Guarding left hallway.
Scan. Alright, come on. Okay. Reboot.
Initiating reboot protocol.
Alright. Whew, I'm doing good. We're doing good. We're good. Alright, let me reboot this. And let me,
Hello, Mr. Prowler.
Uh-oh.
Would you like any assistance?
Yes.
Initiating reboot
Guarding middle
protocol.
hallway.
Here. Scan. Come on. Yes! Yes, we did it, guys. We beat night 4. Oh my god. Okay, so through night 4 and night 3, I thought like that the dismantled animatronics would just go into different vents, but so far they only went to the vents like either some of the dismantled animatronics just went like once in the vents like every night. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's exactly every night, but you know. But anyways, so I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and don't forget to hit the bell notifications, that way you get notified by every video that I upload in the channel. And comment down below what you think of the video, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in more 1 Week in Mario videos and all, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So yeah, so Mr. Airon's out, peace, bye bye.